The sun, a pale disk in the dusty sky, casts long shadows across the Martian plain. A red dust devil swirls in the distance, a silent testament to the planet's raw power. But here, within the protective dome of the Ares base, life goes on. Hydroponic gardens glow with a soft green light, providing fresh food for the colonists. Children born under a salmon-colored sky play in the park, their laughter echoing a hope for a future on this alien world. This is Mars, our celestial neighbor, the red planet that has captivated our imaginations for centuries. Once a world of science fiction, it is now the target of ambitious plans for human settlement. But the journey from dream to reality is fraught with challenges, both technological and ethical. Mars is a harsh mistress. Its thin atmosphere, composed mostly of carbon dioxide, offers little protection from the sun's radiation. Temperatures plummet to bone-chilling lows at night, reaching -200 degrees Fahrenheit. Dust storms, some lasting for months, can engulf the entire planet, blocking out the sun and turning day into an eerie twilight. This is not a place for the faint of heart. Survival on Mars demands resilience, ingenuity, and a willingness to adapt to an unforgiving environment. To survive on Mars, we must create our own life support systems. Pressurized habitats will shield us from the thin atmosphere and radiation. Water, a precious commodity on this arid world, must be extracted from the soil or the polar ice caps. Food will be grown in hydroponic farms, bathed in the artificial glow of LED lights. Energy will be key. Solar panels, though less efficient in the weaker sunlight, will be supplemented by nuclear power, providing a reliable energy source for this new Martian civilization. Life on Mars will reshape us, physically and mentally. Lower gravity may weaken bones and muscles, making colonists reliant on assistive technology. The isolation and confinement of a Martian habitat will challenge even the most stable psyche. Communication delays with Earth, ranging from 4 to 24 minutes, will create a sense of profound isolation, a feeling of being truly cut off from the world we left behind. To thrive on Mars, we must nurture not just our bodies, but our minds. We will need to create a sense of community, of shared purpose, to combat the loneliness of this red alien world. Establishing a permanent human presence on Mars raises profound ethical questions. Is it fair to bring children into this world, knowing they will face the challenges of a harsh and unforgiving environment? Do they have a right to experience Earth, the cradle of humanity, or will their lives be confined to artificial habitats and simulated landscapes? And what about the Martian environment itself? Do we have the right to alter it, to terraform it to suit our needs? What are the potential consequences for any life that might already exist on this planet, however microscopic? Section 6, Terraforming Playing God. The idea of terraforming Mars, transforming it into a second Earth, is a tantalizing prospect. Releasing greenhouse gases into the atmosphere could thicken it, warming the planet and allowing liquid water to flow once more. But the process would be long and arduous, taking centuries if not millennia to complete. And the ethical implications are profound. Do we have the right to play God with an entire planet, even if it is for the sake of our own survival? And what if we inadvertently destroy something precious in the process, some undiscovered life form that calls Mars home? Section 7, Mars or Earth, a question of priorities. The dream of Mars is seductive, a vision of humanity expanding its reach to the stars. But it is also a costly endeavor, consuming vast resources that could be used to address pressing problems here on Earth. Climate change, poverty, disease, these are challenges that demand our immediate attention. Should we be investing in Martian colonies while our own planet teeters on the brink? Or is the exploration and settlement of other worlds an essential part of our nature, a way to ensure the survival of our species in the face of existential threats? Section 8, A Giant Leap for Humankind. The decision to prioritize Mars over Earth is not an easy one. It is a debate that will likely continue for generations. But one thing is certain, the challenges of space exploration have always pushed us to innovate, to push the boundaries of what is possible. The technologies we develop for Mars life support systems, closed-loop agriculture, advanced robotics, could have profound implications for solving problems here on Earth. The pursuit of the Martian dream may, in the end, lead us to a deeper understanding of our own planet and our place in the cosmos. Section 9. Conclusion: a dream or delusion. So, is Mars a dream or a delusion? The answer is perhaps a bit of both. It is a dream that has fueled our imaginations for centuries, a vision of what humanity might one day achieve. But it is also a delusion if we believe it is a quick fix, a simple escape from the problems we face on Earth. The journey to Mars will be long and arduous, fraught with challenges and setbacks. But it is a journey worth taking, for it will test the limits of our ingenuity, our resilience, and our spirit of exploration. And in the end, it may just teach us how to be better stewards of our own planet, the pale blue dot we call home.